What load capacity limits apply to construction heavy equipment? Imagine lifting a load so heavy that it exceeds what your equipment can handle. That's when accidents happen or damage occurs. Knowing load limits is key to safe construction work. Load capacity is the maximum weight a piece of equipment can safely lift or carry. This includes cranes, forklifts, trucks, and trailers. It also covers the weight limits for transporting equipment on roads. Understanding these limits helps prevent mishaps and keeps everyone safe. There are different types of load limits to consider. The working load limit is the maximum load a lifting device can handle under normal conditions. Overloading a sling or hook beyond this can cause failure. The gross vehicle weight rating is the total weight a truck or trailer can carry, including the vehicle itself, fuel, and cargo. Axle weight limits specify how much weight each axle can support. Overloading an axle can damage roads and bridges. Dimensional limits control the maximum height, width, and length of transported equipment. Exceeding these may require special permits and escort vehicles. In the United States, federal rules set basic limits, but individual states can have stricter ones. For example, the maximum width for transport without a permit is 8 feet 6 inches. The maximum highway weight is generally 80,000 pounds, but some states allow higher weights with permits. Always check both federal and state regulations before moving heavy equipment. Every piece of construction equipment has a rated capacity listed on a data plate or in the operator's manual. For cranes, this is called the rated hoisting or lifting capacity. Operating equipment beyond this limit is unsafe and illegal. Proper procedures for calculating safe loads, especially for cranes, must be approved by a qualified engineer. If you are working toward equipment operator certifications or specialized training, you will learn how to read load capacity plates and manuals. You will also learn how to calculate total load weights, including materials and attachments. Planning routes and obtaining permits for oversize or overweight loads are part of the training. Securing loads properly during transport with the correct tie-downs is also essential. Recognizing environmental factors like temperature or sling angles that affect safe load limits is important too. Mastering load capacity limits is a vital skill for construction workers. It impacts safety, equipment longevity, and legal compliance. Employers value operators who understand and follow these rules, as it reduces risks and prevents costly delays. Working with load limits involves understanding terms like working load limit, gross vehicle weight rating, axle weight limits, and the need for oversize or overweight permits. Avoid common mistakes like assuming capacity markings are in the same units or ignoring wear and tear that reduces safe limits. Always secure loads properly and check regulations before transport. Training programs and certifications cover these topics thoroughly. They include hands-on practice with calculating loads, securing equipment, and understanding legal requirements. This knowledge is tested during licensing exams and is part of ongoing on-the-job training. Remember, load capacity limits are strict safety standards. Respecting these limits shows responsibility and professionalism. Whether you are operating a crane, driving a truck, or securing a load, always know the facts and follow the rules. Doing so helps you build a safe, reliable career in construction.